The sky is no longer the limit. The U.S. Army is unleashing a new era of air power. The legendary Blackhawk helicopter is stepping aside. In its place, the cutting-edge V280 Valor. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The battlefield will never be the same. Soldiers will be deployed faster, farther, and with more firepower than ever before. The V280 Valor is more than a helicopter. It's a statement. It says the U.S. Army is prepared to dominate the skies for decades to come. This is the dawn of valor. The Blackhawk helicopter is an icon. It's a symbol of American military might. It has served bravely for decades, but time waits for no machine. The Blackhawk has reached its limits. It's time for a new breed of warrior to take the reins. The battlefield is evolving. Threats are becoming more sophisticated. The Blackhawk, for all its strengths, is struggling to keep up. Its speed and range are limited. It's vulnerable to modern air defenses. The U.S. Army needed a helicopter for the 21st century. Enter the V280 Valor. The Blackhawk will always hold a special place in military history. But the time has come to pass the torch. The V280 Valor is ready to answer the call. The V280 Valor is not just a helicopter, it's a marvel of engineering. It's a tiltrotor aircraft. That means it can fly like a plane and a helicopter. This gives it unparalleled versatility on the battlefield. The Valor is powered by two massive engines. These engines drive the rotors. The rotors can tilt. This allows the Valor to take off vertically like a helicopter. Once in the air, the rotors can tilt forward. This allows the Valor to fly horizontally like a plane. The Valor is also equipped with advanced avionics and weaponry. It can operate in all weather conditions. It can fly at high altitudes. It can even fly autonomously. The V280 Valor is a true game changer. Outmaneuvering the past Valor's Edge, the V280 Valor has many advantages over the Blackhawk. It's faster. It can fly at speeds of over 300 knots. That's twice as fast as the Blackhawk. It can also fly much farther. It has a range of over 2,100 nautical miles. That's 4 times farther than the Blackhawk. The Valor is also more agile than the Blackhawk. It can maneuver through tight spaces. It can land in challenging terrain. This makes it ideal for a variety of missions. These include air assault, special operations, and search and rescue. The V280 Valor is also more survivable than the Blackhawk. It's equipped with the latest stealth technology. This makes it harder for the enemy to detect. It's also equipped with advanced countermeasures. These can defeat enemy missiles. A new era of air assault. Valors Impact. The V280 Valor is a game changer for the U.S. Army. It will revolutionize air assault operations. The Valor can transport troops and equipment faster and farther than ever before. It can also provide close air support. It can conduct reconnaissance missions. The Valor will also enhance the U.S. Army's ability to operate in contested airspace. Its speed, range, and stealth capabilities will make it difficult for the enemy to target. This will give the U.S. Army a significant advantage on the battlefield. The V280 Valor is a symbol of the U.S. Army's commitment to modernization. It's a sign that the U.S. Army is ready to face the challenges of the 21st century. The future of air power is here, and it's called Valor. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible new chapter in military aviation, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.